Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video. So today's Saturday, and as you guys see from the title, I am going somewhere. I'm not sure like how much content I'll get, so I don't know how this vlog's gonna be, but I know I want to actually vlog. So yeah, I like to just record my experiences. So yeah, so we are going to Traxon Records, and we're going for celebrate two persons' birthday. One is today, one was my aunt's birthday some time ago. I think it was Friday. No, not Friday. I think it was Monday. Monday was her birthday. So we're gonna celebrate their birthdays today. So just want to say happy birthday to Miss Clark, because I know she watches this. So happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day today. So yes, we're gonna get ready. Well, not really, no, because we're not leave till about 12:30 and it's not like 8:14. So we are gonna, well, I'm gonna like just get the rest of my things together, show you guys what I'm wearing, and then like breakfast and stuff and such, and I'm gonna charge y'all. So alright, so I've worn this dress already. I wore it when I went on the teacher's trip, so that's what I'm gonna wear. This is just extra glue to carry with my shoes because my shoes is breaking out, or it did. Anyways, and I'm carrying this bag that my sister gave me for Christmas, I think, or it was my birthday, one of them. But yes, she gave me this bag, so I'm bringing that. So yeah, I'm blacking out today. Hi guys, so I'm ready. This is what I'm wearing. My hair do yesterday, by the way. Yeah, so my hair was done yesterday, so this is the hairdo and whatnot. And this is what your girl's wearing. So guys, this is the dress. And I repainted my toes. I didn't do them all, but I just repainted them black. So yeah, that is what I'm wearing. And my usual jewelry. Yeah, so that's what I'll be wearing in tying this. Wait, pause the video. So 66% of you guys that are watching my videos are not subscribed. Like, you're watching, so why not subscribe? So pause the video and just subscribe right now. Like, thank you. Hi.
This morning
You cut it
Hi,
yourself?
Daddy.
yeah, I do all my pruning,
Hi, Miss Clark.
That's good.
my edging.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Auntie.
Hi,
How to do?
I'm blessed, thank you.
Okay, thanks. Wow, got Kanina Rod. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Bob.
That's two.
How to do that?
Wow, got Kanina Rod.
Green
Hi
banana,
guys, we're
right
at my
banana,
aunt's.
banana,
Just chilling.
right bananas too.
Are your bag that day by
No man, it's pig.
This is my aunt's garden. Isn't it cute? She is a green thumb, like, yeah. Alright guys, so we're back home. It's currently 9:24 p.m. Actually got home a few hours ago or so. I think we got in like near 8 o'clock because curfew is at 8 and I know we're reaching before curfew time. So yeah, we're back home and I'm in bed now watching some YouTube. I'm tired and I just remembered I did not end the vlog, so I'm coming out to end the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't really video much because pretty much music inside of the instead of tracks and records wouldn't allow me to like talk to you guys and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless, the montage and all that. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment something down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.